Welcome to Part 4 of the Excipients for Oral Tablet Formulations series. In this session, we focus on the critical role of disintegrants. In this section, we'll review the types of disintegrants, how they work, key formulation considerations, and the impact of manufacturing processes on their performance. Disintegrants are functional excipients added to tablets and capsules to ensure the dosage form breaks apart quickly in the gastrointestinal tract. They promote particle deaggregation, enable timely drug release, and help maintain consistent in vivo performance by reducing variability in disintegration and dissolution. Disintegrants can be incorporated into a formulation through different processing routes, and each approach influences their effectiveness. When added intragranularly during wet granulation, they distribute uniformly within the granules but may lose some swelling capacity. Extra-granular addition leaves the disintegrant ungranulated, enabling faster action upon hydration. A split addition combines both benefits and is particularly useful in high drug load or poorly compactable formulations. In direct compression, disintegrants are added before lubrication to prevent magnesium stearate from reducing their performance. Starch is one of the earliest and most widely used disintegrants, relying on its natural swelling and wicking properties to promote tablet breakup. It is typically added at 10 to 15%, although its performance can vary with formulation. At higher levels, native starch may reduce flow and compactability because of its irregular particle shape and poor compressibility. Pregelatinized starch offers improved binding and disintegration efficiency and is generally used at 5 to 10%. Sodium starch. Glycolate is a widely used super disintegrant, known for its strong swelling capacity and rapid tablet breakup upon hydration. It is typically added at 2 to 8% in both wet granulated and direct compression formulations. Because its swelling efficiency decreases in acidic conditions, it is not the best choice when rapid disintegration is needed in the stomach. SSG performs more reliably in formulations where the API dissolves or is absorbed at neutral or higher pH. When a formulation is intended to disintegrate after leaving the stomach, such as in the upper intestine, SSG becomes a more suitable choice because it performs more effectively under non-acidic conditions. However, SSG is sensitive to moisture, and exposure to high humidity can reduce its swelling potential, leading to slower disintegration and greater variability in dissolution. Crospovidone is typically used at 2 to 5% in both wet granulated and direct compression formulations. It is hygroscopic, so proper humidity control is important during handling. Because of its rapid water uptake and fast breakup behavior, it is highly suitable for ODT formulations. Coarser particle grades usually provide stronger disintegration performance, and Crospovidone also shows excellent compatibility with hydrophobic fillers, maintaining efficiency even in low wettability systems. Croscarmellose sodium, widely known as Actisol, is one of the most commonly selected super disintegrants due to its rapid and efficient swelling behavior. It is typically used at 0.5 to 5% in both wet granulation and direct compression. While CCS works extremely well at low concentrations, its performance can decline in strongly acidic environments where swelling is reduced. Coarser particle grades generally provide faster disintegration, and overall performance can vary by manufacturer because of differences in cross-linking, particle size, and moisture content. The way disintegrants are incorporated into wet granulation, whether intragranularly, extragranularly, or through a split addition, directly affects the speed and mechanism of tablet breakup. Their efficiency also depends on the manufacturing process, as dry and wet granulation can produce different swelling and wicking behaviors. Dry granulation tends to reduce the performance of Crospovidone and sodium starch glycolate, while Croscarmellose sodium is less affected. CCS also performs better in formulations requiring higher compression forces, since its swelling mechanism tolerates densification more effectively. Hydrophobic excipients can further enhance disintegrant action by improving water penetration and preventing overwetting of the particles. Increasing the concentration of a disintegrant does not always lead to faster breakup, and in some cases can actually reduce tablet compactability, especially in high-load formulations. Both Croscarmellose sodium and sodium starch glycolate tend to perform better in neutral or mildly alkaline pH, where their swelling mechanisms are more efficient. Magnesium stearate can reduce the performance of CCS and Crospovidone by hydrophobizing particle surfaces, limiting water penetration. In contrast, SSG is less affected because its strong intrinsic swelling capacity compensates for surface hydrophobicity. This table compares the three major superdisintegrants used in tablet formulation. Croscarmellose sodium relies on both swelling and wicking, performs strongly in wet granulation, and is the most robust under high compression forces. Sodium starch glycolate shows high swelling but is more sensitive to dry granulation, strong acidity, and hydrophobic systems. Crospovidone works mainly through wicking, maintains good stability across processes, and is highly compatible with hydrophobic fillers. Overall, CCS is generally the most versatile. SSG excels in neutral or higher pH environments, and Crospovidone is ideal for ODTS and poorly wettable formulations. With the key super disintegrants and their performance characteristics now covered, we can move on to another critical group of excipients in tablet formulation: lubricants and glidants. These components play a major role in powder flow, die wall friction, and overall manufacturability.